14 years. 14 years of my life have been spent learning, growing, stumbling, and standing up again, all within the loving and unforgettable walls of HCCI. For more than a decade, this school has become my second home, and I can even go as far as to say na halos lahat ng mga importante at memorable na pangyayari sa buhay ko, dito nangyari sa paaralang ito. Parang kailan lang, nag-aaral pa ako dito magbasa at magsulat. From a clueless and curious student to a wiser but still curious senior high school student. And now, look at me. For the third and final time in this school, I am once again standing in front of you all, most honored to deliver my speech. But before I proceed any further, to the beloved school owner, Sir Clemente Paragoso, to the dedicated and caring school administrator, Ma'am President Paragoso and Sir Nehemiah Paragoso, to the passionate, hardworking, and inspiring school principal and my very own advisor, Ms. Tara May Pasahon. To the honorable and esteemed guest, Dr. Aguilar Mabilog, and to the caring and dependable officer in charge and my beloved Nina, Ma'am Anika Elaine Bactil. To the loving families and encouraging relatives, to the proud parents who are witnessing an important milestone in their children's journey, to the supportive friends and valued guests, and to all the strong and resilient completers, movers, and graduates, greetings and a pleasant morning to you all. This school year of 2024-2025 was a year full of excitement, unexpected turns, overwhelming challenges, and unforgettable moments. Nakaranas tayo ng matitinding academic pressure, personal battles na hindi natin pinapaalam sa iba, at maraming sitwasyon na nag-test, hindi lamang sa ating katalinuhan, kundi na rin sa ating puso, pagkatao, at tibay ng loob. There were days na napagod tayo, days when we question ourselves, question our worth, and days na naramdaman natin na mas madali na lang na sumuko. Yet here we are, still standing, still smiling, and now, moving forward. And that alone is something to be proud of. So to all of us, I want to commend us all for making it this far. Dahil ito na ang muling araw ko bilang estudyante ng HISCEL, I want to make sure that I express my deepest gratitude to everyone who has been a part of this journey. Kaya I hope wala po akong nakalimutan. First of all, I would like to give my utmost gratitude to the one and only Heavenly Father. Lord, thank you for being my main source of strength and courage. You have guided us through every challenge. You have known our struggles, even the ones we couldn't speak of, and provided us with the wisdom we needed. You have always been there for us, never leaving us in our darkest moments. Thank you for your never-ending and unconditional love. To my family, especially my loving parents, Mommy, Papa, thank you, as both of you are the reason kung bakit nabubuhay ako sa mundong ito. Salamat sa palaging pag-intindi sa akin, kahit na hindi ako isang perfectong anak. Despite sa lahat ng aking katamaran, kasulilan, at aking kadalasang kakulangan ng respeto, lalo na't nasanay na akong hindi magpo at opo, at magmano sa inyo. Salamat. Maraming salamat po. Dahil patuloy niyo po rin po ako minamahal. Kahit na hindi ko magawang maging open sa inyo. Kahit hindi ko maipakita through my words and actions na mahal ko kayo. Thank you for being my parents. Even though at times I might not meet your expectations, I hope you know that I am always going to try my best. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. To my grade 10 advisor, Ma'am Lai, thank you for being one of the first people who truly saw my potential during a time I was still trying to figure myself out. You serve as my mother, especially nung oras na advisor ko kayo. You witness how I perform noong ako ay isang campus journalist at sinuportahan niyo ako sa journey na yun. Thank you for all the times you reminded me to believe in myself and my capabilities, and for assuring me na I could become someone who could go far in life. To my grade 11 and 12 advisor, Ma'am Lara, your teaching, support, guidance, and genuine care has been instrumental in my senior high school growth. Even though palagi po kayong busy sa inyong, dahil madami po kayong workload and responsibilities na ginagampanan dito sa school, salamat po dahil hindi po kayo nakakalimot na maglaan ng oras para gabayan po kami. Thank you for always being there when I am at my lowest. Isa po kayo sa laging nauunang mag-cheer up at mag-advise sa akin. At sa tuwing may problema po ako, maging school-related man o personal, maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pag-unawa sa amin. To my subject teacher na lagi namin kabardadulan, Sir Cesar, sana alam niyo po na labis kami nagpapasalamat sa walang sawang at walang katapusang pasensya at pag-intindi niyo po sa amin. I know na nasabi ko na po sa inyo to before, but thank you po for all the time you spent with us in this school year. Kayo ang patunay na hindi masama ang friendly na relationship sa pagitan ng teacher at kanyang mga students, even though minsan sumusobra na ang ilan sa amin. Kayo rin po ang isa sa dahilan kung bakit yun ang tinapik ko sa thesis namin. We are truly honored to be your first official students as an official teacher. And to my grade 6 and grade 7 AP teacher, the OIC and my ninang, Ma'am Anika. Kayo ang pinakamatagalan na ka-witness ng aking growth and journey sa school na ito. This is also your third time witnessing me deliver my speech dito sa stage ng Miss Care. Ma'am, sobra po ako nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng payo, arugang, at pagmamahal na pinakita niyo po sa akin. Thank you for being one of my matatakbuhan na tao in my time here sa Miss Care. And sa every time na magkasama po tayo sa labas ng school, maraming salamat po dahil tinuturing niyo po akong parang anak ninyo. Salamat po dahil lagi niyo po napapansin ang little details about sa akin dahil kilala niyo na po ako. Sobrang laki po na naging impact niyo sa aking personal development. Salamat po dahil kayo ang laging nakakaunawa sa akin at isa sa hindi natatakot mabigay ng criticism para sa akin. Alam niyo na po yan, ma'am. Maraming salamat po. I want to thank all the teachers dahil hindi niyo po kami tinignan bilang estudyante lamang. Tinuring niyo na rin po kami na parang pamilya ninyo at mga kaibigan ninyo. Sobra-sobra ako nagpapasalamat sa palaging pag-intindi niyo po sa amin. At tinanggap niyo kami bilang tunay na kami, while still performing and still keeping professionality sa loob ng school. And to the school admin, Ma'am Fred, thank you dahil sa short amount ng time na nakasama namin kayo this school year. Sobrang laki na naging impact na nidulot ninyo sa school. Salamat dahil kayo ng paramdam na Miss Care truly cares to all of its students. To all my classmates and dearest friends, thank you for being a part of this journey. Lalo na sa inyo, Andrea, Cheska, Nevan, at Dave. Sa bawat tawanan natin, pagtulong sa isa't isa, at kahit sa mga simple moments na nagbigay ng saya, hindi ko yun malilimutan. At siyempre, para sa aking pinakamataling na kaibigan ng senior high school journey, Sanoy. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Ikaw ang kasama ko sa halos lahat ng pinagdaanan ko this senior high school. Hindi ako nagkaroon ng pagkakataon sabihin sa ito nung last day of school dahil hindi ka umattend ng open forum natin. Pero, salamat sa lahat ng times na lagi kang handa makinig sa akin. At salamat dahil para ka na rin kuya sa akin. Sa lahat ng advices mo, sa lahat ng panlilibre mo sa akin, sa lahat ng samahan natin dalawa, maraming salamat. Isa ka sa nagparamdam sa akin na hindi masama mag-open up at hindi okay mag-open up. At dahil doon, sobrang thankful ako dahil parte ka ng high school life ko. Lastly, to this school, Miss Care Christian Institute. Sobrang laki ng pasasalamat ko sa school na to dahil dito na ako lumaki. There are times na muntikan na ako mag-transfer sa ibang school. But I am truly thankful that I did it and I spent my time here. Halos lahat ng first sa buhay ko, dito ko naranasan. First friends, first heartbreak, first medal, unang beses na maging isang leader, unang beses na mag-represent ng school, and first challenges that shaped me to become who and what I am today. Nagpapasalamat ako dahil dito ko nakilala ang mga mabubuting kaibigan at mga kasama ko ngayon. Dito ko na-realize ang tunay na importansya ng samahan at na-realize ko na hindi sa lahat ng oras kaya mo mag-isa. Sobrang na-attach na ako sa lugar na to, to the point na minsan, parang ayaw ko na lang mag-college. I can't help but feel a deep sense of gratitude for every moment that I have spent in this school. Every challenges, every success, every lesson, and every relationship has shaped me into the person that I am today. History Christian Institute has not only been a school, it has been a home, a family, a place, where I learned not just academics, but also life's most important values. As I move on to the next chapter of my life, I carry on the lessons and memories that will stay with me forever. To everyone who has been a part of this journey, thank you. And to this school, thank you for being my foundation, my sanctuary, and my guide. May God bless you all. Maraming salamat po and congrats sa ating lahat! Graduate na tayo!
Thank you, graduates, for your words of gratitude.